In this video, we will see why cloud is important for data scientists. Once we data scientists enjoyed our work by building models on our own laptop and used it for prediction and showcasing our skill set. We were proud of our powerful laptops, which may be loaded with graphic cards such as GTX, etc. However, gone are those days. Now we need cloud. This is due to various reasons. Reason number one, processing power. Reason number two, need to integrate the model with the workflow. Reason number three, integration with rest of applications. Let's see it one by one. First, processing power. As we try to build more complex model, the processing capacity of the system is important. Else your model will be stuck in a training loop or your laptop will crash. Irrespective of how advanced laptop or external hardware you have, at one point, you need more processing capacity. Only cloud environment can provide you with expandable resources both vertically and horizontally based on model training and deployment requirements. Cloud platforms such as Azure, AWS, and GCP are the major players, and they have designed cloud for ML based on all the processing requirements. Process expansion can be programmed to increase or decrease based on the load of the model, thus making it flexible and cost effective. Reason number two, need to integrate the model with the workflow. Gone are the days of standalone models. Machine learning models need to be brought into a workflow or more specifically into MLOps, as models need to automatically trained, tested and deployed for consumption. Therefore, these setups can be achieved only in cloud environment. If you are planning to do it by local hosting, trust me, it is one of the most cumbersome process and not very effective for production. Integration with rest of applications. Cloud deployed model can be integrated with other front-end applications. Cloud APIs are more standardized and can be readily used for integration instead of we designing APIs from the scratch. Therefore, it is important for a data scientist to be aware of cloud environment and how to train and deploy model in the cloud. For instance, AWS provide dedicated machine learning environment for data scientists. This is called SageMaker. The best part is you can integrate it with rest of the services in AWS cloud. For instance, SageMaker with Lambda services. Similar setup is available for Azure and GCP as well. My advice to the aspiring data scientist: learn cloud, understand its components and workflow. Every cloud players have a dedicated section for ML. Explore them. It is becoming a required skill for a data scientist or a machine learning engineer. You can create free accounts in Azure, AWS or GCP. Use it, explore and learn. Next video in this series, what is MLOps? What is the difference between a data scientist and a machine learning engineer? Wait, where data engineers will fit in. Subscribe for more interesting videos and also latest news on artificial intelligence, machine learning and data science. Thank you.